Hello guys, I am at my sink, just trying to wash up some of my dishes, and I decided that I would just turn my camera on for a little bit and just chat with you guys to have some company while I'm doing my dishes. I kind of let too many of them get in my sink. I can't put it in my dishwasher because my dishwasher is not working. So I have to hand wash, which is okay. I don't mind hand washing because someone at my age, we're used to it, and when we were born, or when I was born, we didn't have dishwashers, so, you know, I'm okay with it, but there's sometimes that, you know, you get a little lazy and you feel like, I don't feel like hand washing my dishes, so what I'll do, I'll just go on and I'll put it in the dishwasher, but right now, that's not the case. I have to hand wash it so I can get it out the sink. And I like for my counter to be clean. I don't like not even getting up in the mornings and my kitchen is in a mess, you know. And even with that, it comes from your upbringing, the way your mom brought you up to always keep things clean, and cleanliness means a lot to make sure that, you know, everything is nice and clean. So I hope today that everyone is doing well and having just a blessed day. And I not too long got something to eat. It wasn't that much, just a little something that will kind of tie me over, because as you know, I'm still trying to watch what I eat and, you know, still trying to do the right thing. I'm not perfect, I'm not 100%, but I'm trying. I'm trying so much, and I'm not gonna tell you guys that it's 100, but it's much better than what I was doing, and because of all of that, I am just so grateful to God that when I went for my blood work, they gave me such great report, and I was told to, whatever I'm doing, to continue to do what I'm doing. So that's what I'm doing. I'm continuing to do what I'm doing. Yeah, and support my channel. You know, it's not the best right now because I'm, you know, striving to get where I need to be so I can get the right tools that I need. And when I say tools, I mean like cameras and lighting and stuff like that. So help me get to that 1,000 subscribers. And I noticed that you know, some people have other people that are well known to support them on their journey and all that. But what it is with me, I don't know anyone that does YouTube personally. So I just have to just try to do it on my own and try to support myself. But I'm just done washing my dishes, and I'm gonna let them just stay there for a minute and dry, and just do some more things. Today, you know what I want to make today? I want to make cauliflower, and I have this. Let me show you guys. Let me show you what I have. I have this black cast iron skillet that I want to use, and what I want to do with it, I want to layer it at the bottom with cauliflower, and then I want to just mash it around and put like some other stuff on it, and then top it with cheese. And it's just an idea that I have, you know, for something healthy to eat, but something different, and that's what I'm trying to do. But yeah, those skillets, cast iron, black skillet, I had them for a long time, and I love cooking in them because to me, I don't know if it's me or it gives your food a good flavor. And I remember a long time ago, my mom, she would cook in some of those stuff, and I wish I had saved my mom, the set my mom had. But hey guys, look at my skin. My skin is skinning today. It looks so nice and clear and clean, and I try to keep it clean. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing today, just trying to prepare myself to cook that. And when I get ready to cook it or make it, then I will come back and I will show you guys what I'm doing.